Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Ella Surprise Pets. Let me get some scissors and open these. Okay, I got some scissors now. Let's cut open this shape. At the stores, they wrap it with enormous tape. So this tape is really hard to get open. I don't want to make my nails broken though. Come on, open. Okay, finally. I got the tape open. Now let's open this Ella Surprise ball. Open the first layer. Whoops, I got a secret message. I see it. This is kind of hard to open because I didn't open this the right way. Okay, let's just peel this layer out. Luckily my nails aren't ruined and they don't break. So let's open this. Here is the secret message. You will read it later with the I Spy glass. Okay, let's move on to the second layers. I see the ball. It's a pink ball. Nothing on this layer. It's the last layer. There's nothing on this layer either. Let's get that out of the way. At the side, let's open this ball. Well, 3, 2, 1, crack! Wow, look at all this stuff. First, I got some instructions. I don't need them, I'll put them aside. I got this chain. You attach it to the ball like this so you can carry it away now. Let's read the secret message. I got the I Spy glass. It says, Drama Queen. Give it up for Drama Queen. Okay, first I'm going to unbox this slime bag. I got a red hat. I will read though because the red message. I'm going to open this. I got a red sip bottle. I got a shovel. Right over here, I got the sand, which I'm going to unbox right now. Let's open this sand up. 1, Okay, let's open this sand. Got it open. Now I'm going to dig for the surprises. I'm going to cut this video short. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, now I opened this sand up. I already opened it. And I found 2 red shoes. The yellow one. Like those. Now let's open the doll. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open in 3, 2, 1, and come on, Baggy. I know you're. Marco, get the book. Din, din, din. I got a owl. Let's put her accessories on. Put her shoes on.
Marco go to Ulte.
Okay, I am done putting her accessories on. This is a closer look at her. Her hair is so cool. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.